Welcome the our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Gusto to your US bank account, detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw funds from Gusto to your US bank account, begin by logging into your Gusto account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the Finances section. Click on the Withdraw option. You will see a list of available funds for withdrawal. Select the specific amount you wish to transfer. Next, choose your linked bank account from the drop-down menu. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, click on Add a bank account. Enter your bank account details, including the account number and routing number. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid any issues. After selecting your bank account, review the transaction details. Confirm the amount and the bank account selected. Click on the Withdraw button to initiate the transfer. Gusto will process your withdrawal request. You will receive a confirmation notification via email regarding your withdrawal. Depending on your bank, funds may take 1 to 3 business days to reflect in your account. For any concerns or issues, visit the Gusto Help Center or contact customer support. Monitor your email for updates about your transaction status. That concludes the process of withdrawing funds from Gusto to your US bank account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.